Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use the new grid in Figma. First, select a frame on your canvas. In the right sidebar, find the Layout Grid section and click the plus icon to add a new grid. By default, Figma adds a 10-pixel grid, but we'll customize that in the next steps. This initial setup is crucial for establishing a structured design foundation. Now let's customize your grid. Click the grid icon next to Layout Grid to open the settings. Here, you can change the grid type from a simple grid to columns or rows. For columns, you can set the count, margin, and gutter width. For rows, adjust the height, offset, and gutter to fit your design needs perfectly. Experiment with these options to find the ideal structure. Figma allows for advanced grid usage. You can add multiple grids to a single frame, combining columns and rows for intricate designs. Simply click the plus icon again to add another grid layer. To quickly toggle grid visibility, use the shortcut Shift plus G. This helps you see your design with and without the grid lines. You can also save your custom grid styles for future use. To make the most of Figma grids, always use them consistently across your designs. Aligning your elements to the grid creates a professional and organized appearance. Remember to adapt your grid settings for various screen sizes and devices, ensuring responsiveness. Grids are powerful tools for achieving precision and consistency in your design workflow, leading to better user experiences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.